How to set up Airbnb host account. Want to start hosting on Airbnb? In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to set up your Airbnb host account. So let's get started. First, go to airbnb.com and sign up if you don't have an account yet. You can use your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts to create a profile. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're logged in, click on Become a Host in the top right corner of the page. Now, click on Get Started to create your first listing and enter the basics about your properties, like what kind of space you're offering, whether it's an entire home, a private room, or shared space, and add the number of guests you can accommodate, the location, and property type. So these are the main details that you need to put. Next, fill in the details about your space, such as the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, or any unique features. Upload high-quality photos of your property to attract potential guests. Airbnb suggests adding at least 5 clear photos, including one of the bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living area if it's a whole house. Now, set your nightly rate. Airbnb offers pricing suggestions based on similar listings in your area, but you can always adjust this later. Don't forget to set your availability and any booking rules like minimum stay requirements or cancellation policies. Finally, review your listing to make sure everything looks good, then click Publish. And congratulations, you're now officially an Airbnb host, ready to welcome guests to your space. And that's it, your Airbnb host account is all set up. Check the description below for more helpful links and good luck with your hosting journey. Thanks for watching.